Introducing the all-new AOKZOE A1X, engineered for gamers who demand more. Now you can game the way it was meant to be, with a native landscape screen. It comes with variable refresh rate feature for smooth visuals, even when the action gets intense. From the neon streets of Night City to the magic of Hogwarts, the A1X handles it all with high FPS and no stuttering. With a 72 watt-hour battery, you'll game longer without worrying about a charger. With bypass charging feature, power can be rerouted directly to the motherboard, reducing heat and protecting your battery. You can also set smart TDP limits and battery-saving modes to control performance your way. Introducing a newly designed thermal system with triple heat pipes, high RPM fans, and advanced airflow for cooler sessions. And the new capacitive joysticks for fast input and high precision. Triggers are redesigned with a smoother tail end, dual linear motors. Feel every moment. Light it your way with 20 customizable RGB modes. It is also fully loaded with ports, USB 4.0, Oculink, microSD, audio jack. With 1X GPU 2, you can enjoy desktop-level graphics at 64 gigabits per second. Then take it further, connect to an external display, and enjoy big-screen gaming. And when it's time to move, just pack the A1X. It's built for travel. New ABXY buttons and a reworked D-pad give you crisp feedback and total control. Wherever you are, A1X is always ready to play. No limits, no compromises.